Hi guys, this is 4x of Romeo. Let me just move to the real deal, I guess. What did I do? Where's my real deal? I think if it's okay, I should look for that feather gap. It's a buy, but I'm looking for that feather gap. So I will start showing why I say it's a sell. 22,810. 22,810. TP. 22. Okay, I entered the cell in the 15 minute because I couldn't just explain without. Let me first explain now. Now that I entered, I guess I can do explanation on why I entered this cell. Actually, I've analyzing a buy the whole time, but then now I have to first consider this cell before further analyzing buys. So what I'll be doing, I'll be analyzing the TP for this cell. It's not confirmed. Okay. So I'm looking for the cell. But now my analysis for this cell is not adding up. But this whole space there is a consolidation, so which means I would consider this to be a basic down move. This place is here. It's more like a consolidation. I will try considering that cell, and then let me analyze its TP then. This two highs is more like the same high level, so I can use either this one or either this one. Let me go for that one. Yebo. So I guess I just had to adjust it to that. But this is a break-even trade, so we are already 10 minutes into the session. I'm expecting the market to buy, but let me quickly look for sell opportunities. Is this thing even recording? 10. So I guess this is what it is. Under higher time frame, we're actually in a buy, but the buy didn't fully confirm, so I'm looking for that fair value gap before it can rally back up. Or otherwise, we're also in a 50% retracement. I guess. not a good move. It's actually in a 50% retracement. This would be a bad trade if we are at that retracement, but assuming that we are coming from buys, I guess that would be correction move. The market was in a sell, so that's it. The one that I like is gold. These charts just look weird for me. It's like I've been analyzing something different. Okay, here's the real one. Gold. I'm actually looking for selling opportunities in gold. So for me, gold, I'm not sure of this one. It still looks like a buy. So I'm waiting for sell opportunities on gold. I'm not gonna buy gold. So if gold can enter and give me opportunities, right now I don't see gold giving me a nice setup. Unless gold wants to sell cell back into this fair value gap. Check the smaller time frame, 30 minutes. Gold can a proper retest back into this gap. I supply zone. You see it go out and back into it. Right now there, I cannot enter anything there on gold. But now my analysis is on JPY. Currently we are in the session, so hopefully it sells and then confirms the buy later on. Okay. Just give it time. It's not good. That sell entry is not good, but I'm a break-even trade as long as I can hold. Don't expect it to retrace to this highs. the place where I caught it. It's a proper place because what I see there is supply zone. I don't know if it's a proper zone, but then there's a gap here. So it's a gap there. And then I actually entered this trade because I wanted to enter it on a premium. So what I'll be doing, I'm expecting gold to drop, so we'll just have to wait and see what it does there. Expecting gold to drop, crazy, nice strong drop. Nice strong drop, okay. Strong, this is not strong. So if it confirms that, then I'm set. If it confirms that, then I'm set for that TP. So just holding. Minding also that we are in a session, then gold later, CVP later on will buy. But gold, I'm expecting a big sell. I've been analyzing a sell on gold. What it did there, I like what the market did there at this gap here. Now I want it to just further go down, confirming this downtrend, confirming to be in a trend. So as I put my 1 minute trend line, you can see it's at the place it broke out. If it closes above it, can mean otherwise for this trade. If it closes above it, it can mean otherwise for this trade. But if it can re-enter that space, that would be nice. So that would be nice. Okay, what it's doing there, it's confirming. It's just trying to confirm that it didn't close above that line. Still not closed. Confirming the sell. As a stop loss trader, I would put my stop loss just above these labels here. But then I'm a break-even trader, so I'm expecting the market to go in my direction so that I can put break-even at levels. If it breaks this low here, so just holding and waiting. Gold can literally go against me anyhow. It can literally go against me anyhow and just not confirm. But then if it comes to this low, to confirm a sell. So I'm just analyzing what the market is offering right now. So this level is respected, closed above or below it, confirming that it might still be a good sell. But anyway, it's still not confirmed yet, since this trade can still just be, it's the 1 minute, this is 1 minute time frame. Anything that can confirm that this is a sell, it's a spike downwards, a clear spike downwards, with strong momentum, then I'm sorted. So anything to confirm it's a sell towards that levels that I want. It's actually a big spike. Yep, it's actually a big. This is not a spike yet. anything that can confirm that it's a sell. Did I start this video correctly? Okay. Hi guys, this is Forex Romeo, and this is yet again another one. This is not a big spike yet, but it's clear that you can confirm that it's a sell, right? But it's not yet clear unless it really goes down. So far so good. So far so good with this trade. When it goes into $2 or something, then I'm set for this account to really be a sell, to break even, and then only look for TPs, right? So where I would break even with this trade, it created this low here, so I would expect the market to not break this high and then push downwards, creating strength, more strength to the downside. This was not strength yet. This is not a strong sell. This is where you call a sell that might reverse and become a buy. So hopefully this trade confirms. See, as it moves back up like that, it shouldn't close above that line that I placed. It shouldn't close above that line that I placed, and it should signal a stronger sell. A strong sell to, no, that's not a strong sell. A strong sell should be confirmed, because now to secure this account on a sell, the trend is still respected. That place, I guess, should also act. It should act strong on that highs and continue downwards. Sometimes what the market will do, it will go up and wick. It can wick to highs and go back into the trend and then spike downwards. So what I'm expecting the market is not to wick, signaling that there is still strong momentum for buy. So I don't want that to be shown in the market currently, because our account is not good for any wicks. Any wicks beyond our trades are not going to be fine. So if the market can wick against our trend, that's not good, because some people have stop loss. I could have already decided on my stop loss at these levels. But imagine that's the trend line, and it might fake out, it might wick, it might do anything. So no stop loss till it breaks, till it confirms a stronger sell, and it breaks this low here, comes down, breaks this low, then the trend continues for downward momentum. So hopefully this is what the market can show. And anyway, this is Forex with Romeo, and this is 1 minute time frame, and I'm analyzing a big sell. So the market yesterday has been going up. I'm analyzing a buy, a sell for the market for a long time now, but yesterday it literally spiked up. It spiked up. So it's my understanding the uptrend should be the uptrend should be enough. The uptrend should be enough. But anyway, the market can still buy. It can still buy, but that's why I expect the market to confirm sells before I break even. If I'm a break-even trader, I would already look for entry reasons for sell. I have a break even to secure my trade. But now this spikes. What it's doing here, it's not signaling the sell yet. So anyway, it's not signaling the sell yet. So just waiting. I'm just waiting on it. I'm just waiting on the market right now to confirm a strong sell. Tell my TPs. Let's go to TP. My TP is actually in the 15 minutes. As you can see where I entered my sell, it's a good place. So it should actually, there's a lot of gaps that the market did to the low. So I'm expecting the market to fill up those gaps. There's a lot of gaps. A lot. Since yesterday the market bought crazily. After analyzing a sell, the market bought. So I'm expecting the market to engulf the whole buys that it made yesterday and continue its sell. Higher time frame sell. So let's go to our 4 hours. So what the market did there in the 4 hours, it went to this high level, that high there. It actually went to a fair value gap somewhere in that highs. It didn't enter the fair value gap, which is also not a good sign, but it is at a level where it has resistance. So support, there are no resistance. So a good sign is that it should at least fill up gaps to the low side before entering the resistance levels. And after that, crash. So I'm not set for this account to really sell, but hopefully it might confirm it. As you can see, the strong movement downwards might be a reasoning that my stop loss is okay there, but then I'm a break-even trader, so I would look for other reasoning for stop loss. Actually, right now I'm just looking for break-even reasoning, and then I'm looking for the market to really crash, to come back, fill up these gaps. Waiting for the market to fill up this level, fill these levels with a strong downward move. But the market can still, eventually the market can also buy, because it's a fair value gap or demand zone or at the highs there. So I actually have to break even in this trade sooner than I think, because I don't want to be in a trade where it's against me. Because it might just be a buy till some levels, some highs still, before coming down. So what I'll be doing is just check the market, what it's doing. If it breaks this trend line that I place, that could be a good reason to say, this market is gonna blow me. It's gonna go against me, right? Because after that, the market really will just fly. If it breaks that line, it means that the market might eventually just buy. So as you can see, the market kind of like creates a steep sellings. But if it can do the same as it did with the buy, then eventually the market could lead to a sell. I don't want to be in the market if it's... So let me just put a break even to be secure. 2334.97. 2334.97. 2334.97. So I'm set for this trade. I think it's not good to have this kind of stop loss, but then we get stopped out. It's okay, you're not failing. Actually, what you're doing is you are securing your account for any move, right? So you're securing your account for any move. The market can break out from this level, stop me out before eventually going in my direction. It can eventually just fall from there, right? I would expect the market to fall. So I don't want it to stop me out, but if it stops me out, then it's okay also. So, but I want it to fall from that level. So the account is too small for me to risk. That's why I want to be smart in this trade. This is gonna be a long video anyway. But what I'm expecting is the market to really form a strong sell move, right? Like that, but not like that. Like that, but not like that. Anyway, as you can see, the buy and the sell are almost like the same. It's almost like the same. What the buying pressure was and what the selling is, it's more like a rally base drop, right? It's more like it's forming a rally base drop. So what it's doing there, I don't know how to place the rally base drop or things, but I guess so. I want to be in this sell, right? It should confirm, the sell should be totally confirmed, like a drop, a crazy drop, like the crazy buy it had, to really engulf what it has been doing. So you guess why I entered there? That if the market really confirms this, I think it didn't fully confirm TP1, or I might not have my analysis correctly here, but it didn't confirm TP1 yet. So from there, I might also just assume that the market will continue downwards to fill up the bullish, what is this? I call it the bullish flag. So a bullish flag, which in the higher time frame, I don't know where it will confirm, but then I hope it's at these levels, that the bullish flag could be confirmed. That if the bullish flag can confirm, that means this is a very profitable trade, right? Because the TP1 for this bullish flag in the 4-hour, it's a very deep down trade. So if it can confirm the TP1, then this trade would eventually be a very great okay, it will be a very profitable trade. So with that said, guys, I think I've explained a lot. I just want to wait and see if it can reach the TP1. I will put my TP if it goes to TP1, but I'll hold it. So I'm analyzing this TP, this low here, but then if it reaches this low, I want to see the reaction. If it's strong enough to go down, then I will just hold it for TP, for the higher time frame TP. So with that being said, I guess this is a short video. I'll pause the video to show results. I'll have to do what I'll have to do is I'll have to edit my videos, make it shorter, and then take some things out. Or for those who wants to see long videos like this, yeah, I guess I'll have to make space for that. But so far, I'm like in 10%. Is it like 10% of my account? Yeah. I'm in 10% of my account. I can literally close it and hope that I can literally close this trade, but then I will not know if it reached my TP, or it will not be as satisfied as it would have been if it reaches TP. So I guess what I do in my trades, I also make sure that my margin level, it's above 200. That's the basic what I see in my trade is if my margin level is above 200, I'm good. For my trades, others prefer 100 or at least 100, but I just feel like 200, like, yeah, that allows me to also think about my risk, right? That I'm not risking. That adds to my risk and reward, or I guess that adds to my wow, you didn't risk a lot in this trade. So what I can do also is seeing that where my TP is where this is going, I can also place orders. I can place orders on this on gold itself or on US. Yeah, GBP JPY. I think I have TP for this one because GBP JPY I expected to buy, but I'm selling it for now. So to a level, I think I have TP for that. From that TP, I'll look for reasons to buy GBP JPY. Since we are in its session currently in US also we are in a session, so hopefully what it will do at the session levels, the London session would would add up. So I hope that will be the case. So I would want orders to be filled. I would like orders to be filled at these levels here. 223, 280. 223, 280. I guess that's where I would like orders to be filled. 223, 280. If it's a sell, right now this sell is not confirmed. Right? If it's a sell, 223, 80. 233, 280. 33. Oh, this